Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. In this video we're going to learn how to auto-post the Hindu RSS feeds on Telegram. So I manage a Telegram channel on which I regularly update the RSS feed so that my subscribers can check it out. So doing this manually takes me a lot of time. So what I did was I simply created an automation between RSS by Pably and Telegram so that whenever a new feed of RSS has been updated in the Hindu RSS feeds, automatically that same update has been posted on my Telegram channel that I've created. So if you want to learn this amazing automation, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to auto-post the Hindu RSS feed on Telegram. So I manage a Telegram channel focused on business news updates. By integrating the Hindu RSS feed into your Telegram channel, you ensure that your subscribers receive breaking news and insightful articles directly on Telegram as they are published. So first let us discuss about RSS feed. An RSS feed is a simple way for websites to share their latest updates like news, headlines or blog posts. It's like a summary of the newest content from a website which you can subscribe to using special applications or services. These lets you stay updated without having to visit each and every website individually, okay? So in this video, we are going to discuss about this amazing automation that you can create between RSS feed and Telegram with the help of Pably Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pably Connect, that is pably.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pably Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pably Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pably Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pably, from which we are going to select Pably Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then you can see Pably Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pably Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to name to my workflow as How to Auto-Post the Hindu RSS feed on Telegram. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow, okay? Next over here, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pably Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this arrow and these are the folders from which I'm going to select RSS feed automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving a name to a workflow and selecting the folder, let's click on Create in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of How to Auto-Post the Hindu RSS feed on Telegram, and there are 2 windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the 2 most important steps of our automation process, because our process depends on these 2 concepts over here. Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. So firstly, we're going to discuss about a trigger step and set it up. For the trigger application over here, we're going to select it as RSS by Pably. So I'm going to select my trigger application as RSS by Pably, and for the trigger event I'm going to select it as new item in the feed, because we want that whenever a new item has been captured by RSS by Pably, automatically the response should be also captured in a trigger step. And then we're going to click on Connect. As we have done that, over here you can see it is asking for the feed URL and the filter type. For the feed URL, what we are going to do is we're going to open our Hindu feeds page. So as you can see that this is my Hindu RSS feed page right over here, and over here as we want the updates for the business category and for the industry right over here, so I'm going to select the feed for the business industry right over here. As we have done that, you will be landed to this page right over here, and you can see this is the RSS feed URL. So I'm going to copy this URL from here and I'm going to paste the feed URL right over here, okay? So this is the feed URL which I've pasted. Next, it is asking for the filter type. You can set up the filter according to a requirement, but I'm going to select the filter type over here as default recommended, okay? After pasting the feed URL and selecting the filter type, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request, and as I'm going to do that, the last feed which is updated in our Hindu RSS feeds, automatically Pably Connect is going to capture the response of that feed. So I'm going to click over here on Save and Send Test Request. As I'm going to do that, over here you can see a new response is captured. In the response, we have received the title of the feed that has been updated in our Hindu RSS feed. You can see that the title says mobile number porting after same SIM replacement to face 7 days waiting period from July 1st. So this is the title of the RSS feed that has been posted on our Hindu RSS feeds, and over here we have received the link of the feed and all the other details. So this means that RSS by Pabbly is successfully connected with Hindu RSS feeds, so that whenever a new RSS feed is going to be updated in our Hindu RSS feeds, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. But if you are not going to receive the response immediately, then do not worry. As you can see right away, it says 1 hour. Okay. This 1 hour is the pulling duration. That means RSS by feed is a pulling based application. That means in every 1 hour, the Hindu RSS feed is going to send the data to RSS by Pabbly, and it is going to be captured in our response. Okay. So do not worry if you are not going to receive the response immediately, as RSS by Pabbly is a pulling based application. And if you want to make changes in this pulling duration, to click on the settings button and click on set trigger time right over here. As you're going to do that, over here you can see this is the triggered pulling time right away. The lowest can be the 10 minutes and the highest can be the 24 hours. As I want to send the update on my Telegram channel in every 30 minutes, so I'm going to select my trigger time over here as 30 minutes, and then I'm going to click on save. As I've done that, you can see the pulling duration right away has been updated to 30 minutes. That means this workflow is going to trigger in every 30 minutes. Okay. That means RSS by Pabbly is going to capture the new response in every 30 minutes. So now, as we have set up our trigger step, we are going to set up our action step. And for the action application, we are going to select it as Telegram bot. As we want that whenever a new RSS feed update is captured in our Pabbly Connect account, automatically that update should also be forwarded on the channel that I've created in my Telegram account. This is the group that I've created in my Telegram account in the name of RSS Feeds Update. And I send the updates on this channel right over here. Okay, so that is why we are selecting our action application as Telegram bot, and for the action event I'm going to select it as send a text message. So I'm going to select this action event, and then I'm going to click on connect in order to connect Telegram bot to Pabbly Connect. A new window is going to appear on which you have to click on add new connection. After clicking on add new connection, over here it is asking for the token. With the help of this token, we are going to connect Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect. By following the steps given here below, we are going to have the access of the token. So firstly, to send a message on the group that we have created in our Telegram account, we need to create a bot. For that, what you have to do is you have to open your Telegram account. As you can see, this is my Telegram account right over here, and we are going to be creating a new bot using Telegram. Okay, for that, on the search bar you have to search for bot father. So we're going to search for bot father right over here. Okay, so this is the bot father, and I'm going to click on start right over here. As I'm going to do that, over this message is going to appear, and as you want to create a new bot, you have to click on new bot right over here. As we're going to do that, firstly it is asking for the name of our bot. So for the name of the bot, I'm going to give it as, so this is the name that I want to give to my bot, that is RSS Feeds Update. Okay, next over here it is asking for the username of the bot. I want the username of the bot to be, so this is the username of my bot, that is RSS Feeds Update underscore bot. As over here it is asking for the underscore bot as well. So I'm going to send this username, and you can see that over it says the congratulations, this is your new bot. So the new bot has been created, and over here you can see also a token is provided. So I'm going to copy this token from here, and I'm going to paste it right over here. After pasting the token, I'm going to go back to my Telegram account. So this is the bot that is created, and we need to active this bot. For that, click on this link right over here. As soon as you're going to do that, next to this bot over here it says start. We're going to click on it, and as we're going to click on start, the bot is now successfully been updated. You can see on the screen the bot is successfully updated. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add this bot to the group that we have created, so that this bot is going to send the RSS feeds update in this group right over here to all of my subscribers. So what we are going to do is we are going to add a bot in this group right over here. So I'm going to add a bot. I'm going to search for RSS feed update. So this is the bot. I'm going to add this bot in this group. You can see over here the bot is now successfully invited to this group. And as we have done that, but what we want is, as a bot should send a message in this group, the bot needs to be the admin in this group to send the messages. So what we are going to do is, with the help of my phone, I'm going to create this bot as an admin of this group. As you can see that over here next to RSS feeds update, this says admin. Now that means I've created this bot successfully an admin of this group. Now as I've successfully added the bot, I'm going to click on save right over here to connect Telegram bot to Pabbly Connect. As we have done that, over here you can see it is asking for the chat ID. Chat ID is the channel ID on which the bot is going to send the message. So this is the channel on which the bot is going to send the message, and in the URL you can see after hash this is the chat ID. So I'm going to copy this ID from here and paste it right over here, okay? Next over here it is asking for the text message that we want to send in the channel that we have created. For the text message over here, I'm going to write it as, so the text says, just dropped a fresh update on my RSS feed. Check it out for the latest insights, news and stories. So this is the title of the message that I want to send. After this text right over here, I want the title of my RSS feed to be there. For the title of the RSS feed, what we are going to do is, we are going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we are going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how it happens that as soon as you click on this field right over here, you can see it says RSS by Pabbly new item in feed. This was the previous step of this workflow. As soon as you click on it, you can see this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. As over here after this line, we need to add the title of the RSS feed. So I'm going to map the data of this title from our previous response. As I've selected the data from our previous response, the data is mapped, and as I map the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the data right over here is going to be updated. Next to the title, I'm going to map the data of the link of our RSS feed. So this is the message that I want to send on my Telegram group with the help of the Telegram bot, okay? So as we have done that, next it is asking for all the details right over here, which I'm going to skip because I do not require these fields, okay? After filling all the details, we are going to click on save and send test request. As we are going to do that, over here you can see we have received a response, and the response that we have received is a positive response. So now I'm going to open my Telegram group that I've created, and I'm going to check whether the bot has successfully forwarded the RSS feed update on my Telegram group or not. For that, I'm going to open my Telegram group that I've created, and yes, as you can see right over here, the bot is successfully posted the RSS feed update on the group that we have created on our Telegram channel. So this means that we successfully created an automation between RSS by Pabbly, that is the Hindu RSS feeds, and Telegram with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now let us sum up what we have done. I manage a Telegram group on which I post the updates of my RSS feeds, of my Hindu RSS feeds. My objective was that as soon as a new RSS feed is updated by the Hindu, automatically the update should also be forwarded on my Telegram group. For that, what we have done is we've simply created an automation between RSS by Pabbly and Telegram bot with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.